QSERVICES, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What we're looking at here is the Nilfisk hose reel. Now this is for the machine with the 90-degree bend going into the reel itself. So what we've got here is a 2-metre lead hose. Now you'll see we've detached these because what it is, it's a universal system. So if you're changing machine, all you're doing is changing the ends. 1/4 inch BSP, 1/4 inch BSP threads. This end here would go into the gun, screw it in and clip the gun in place, the Nilfisk gun. Or if you wanted to, that end there, like I say, we can convert to anything we want to. 1/4 inch BSP, and that is for the 90-degree type Nilfisk, for the D's and E's pressure washers. Just clip in place and then you go. Now on the system itself, yeah, we've got the hose here, one wire, so you can see on the hose itself it doesn't tangle and everything else. Same again at this end, so standard 1/4 inch thread, so that hose can be taken off, replaced. You don't have to replace everything. Any failure further down the line, that's the old design. Change your machine, change the ends. That's all you need to do. You don't have to start buying a new hose and having all the new ends taken off and put on a new hose. It's there, ready to go, switched over. This is available in like 15 metres, 10 metres, 20 metres, 25, 30 metres, this hose reel system. Now when we do move up to the bigger, we move up to a larger, slightly larger hose reel, and we're putting 30s on at times. Thank you very much. QSERVICES, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.